Hey guys, it's Julian, and today I'm going to show you our fireworks, which this week's theme is New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. So tomorrow is going to be New Year's Day, and today is the last day of 2012. Tomorrow is 2013, and we stay up till 12 o'clock. So we have a fun storm shock pack, and up here we pull the string and confetti comes out this bottom. Then we got the same thing. Then we got lots of poppets, because the poppets is those little balls that when you throw on the ground it pops. Awesome! And we have the same thing. This is just little. Then we have this big one. So yeah, pretty much. Then over here we have party time. It's the same thing as this one. Same thing. We haven't had these. These are confetti candles. We haven't had these. We never had these when we had New Year. Then we have these big confetti bombs. They look like a bomb. Then we have a candle, which I don't even know why, but it's a light up candle. You can switch it. See? See? You can switch it. I don't even know who put it here. Lastly, we have two poppets. See? We have two poppets. These big ones have 1 and 2. So yeah, that's basically our fireworks. Now I'm gonna count them. But oh my god, because for the big ones that you have to for the fire basically you have to get a permit at the city hall, which is far away, and I don't want to walk all the way over there, so that's why I didn't. But I really wanted to, looking forward to. So we have this. What are you guys doing? I'm trying to make a video here. Okay, I have 2 of these. Then we have these confetti bombs. I'm doing a restart if you don't even know. If you forgot, you have to do the same thing. You have to pull the string and it comes out this bottom over here. This bottom. And the confetti candles, you have to pull the string. I don't even know where does it come out. How weird. But yeah. So really, then we have this party time. Same thing, but they're very little. It's like you can put water in here, but you're not supposed to. Confetti is in there. You can use these for your party. And actually, this is the confetti stuff. It's more longer, and you have to pull the string. It comes out from this bottom. We preferably this is the same, but it's more smaller. We have a bunch of poppets. Same thing, party time, and this big pack. It is 19 party poppers and 300 snappers, which is poppets. You can really feel a lot of these. Basically, we're going to do, the poppets will be at the end, so we're going to do the big ones and the small ones before the poppets. That's not really nice. You can get a bunch of these and just throw on the ground. If you see one, you can step on it. It's fun. I really want to have the big one. So yeah, pretty much yeah, we have that. And basically I saw the comments that one of the channels said, I know you're not supposed to put bad stuff on your channel, but actually that was my sister who put it. Blame it on her. I'm not really the one that put it there. And a candle for some reason. So yeah, all the fireworks will be in my room. Yeah, so I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye. Stop it. Oh wait, I forgot the bloopers. Okay, next we have this thing, this fun storm shock thing. Has puppets and other weird stuff. Why am I saying weird?